Hello, my name is Lou Sino with Jet Support Services in Chicago, Illinois. I have been a senior accredited aircraft appraiser since 2006. If you are an asset management professional with a bank or a lessor involved in structuring transactions for business and general aviation aircraft, or an aircraft reseller, or an aircraft insurance professional, I would highly recommend this program. Aside from the theory behind appraising assets, the information that the course provides is valuable in all segments of our industry. I would encourage you to get on the ASA website, appraisers.org, and sign up for the next round of classes, which will begin in October 2020. Thank you.